Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Katrina. First off, excuse my voice. My throat's been a little sore. I feel fine, just like my nose is slightly stuffed and my throat's like a little sore. So excuse my voice, and if you hear me like I have like a cough drop in my mouth. So yeah, in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I make my YouTube intro. It's not the fanciest, but I wanted to share it with you guys because it's something really easy you can make, all with free apps. Before we get into this video, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how I make my YouTube intro, keep watching. So yeah, the intros I've made before, I've usually just made them on iMovie, but I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do it on your phone. Almost the same process, kind of, very similar, but I guess it's just more convenient to have it right there on your phone. I'm going to be using two apps in this video. I'm going to be using the app Phonto, and I'm going to be using iMovie. Unfortunately, this tutorial is for iPhone users only. If I can find similar things, I guess, for Androids to use, I'll try to put that down below. I really don't know anything about Android phones, so I might not be able to help that much there, but yeah, this tutorial is for iPhone users. So I'm going to be recording on my phone. Well, before we start, the first thing obviously you want to think of is how you want to set up your intro, what you want in it, I don't know what design you want, everything like that. So for me, I like to keep it simple. I usually just have like my name and then maybe a couple images, or not a couple, but maybe like one image or so. Intro I had before was basically just my name and like a little bobby pin popping up, which I loved, honestly. If I could, I would continue using that one, but I figured, you know, it's a new year, I want to make a new intro. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. I actually did this intro already. I thought it would be a cool video to share with you guys, so I'm gonna try to do it again. So these are the images that I looked up. This one, I don't know, I kind of just found it. I didn't try to search this one. I feel like maybe if you typed in like overlays or like banners or maybe paint streaks, something like that, you would find something similar to this. This one, I don't know, I felt like I wanted a rose in it, and I also felt like I wanted a moon, and I also felt like I wanted a scissor. I don't know. But yeah, basically to find those, all you have to do, okay, so let's say for example the scissor one, you want to type in scissor, and then most importantly you want to type in PNG. So the PNG is what has that transparent background, so that way when you put it in the image or put it in wherever you're going to put it, there's no background and you just have the image itself. So let's go to images. So see, anything with this that has a transparent background, even in here in the Google tabs, you can press transparent and it'll show you that too. So yeah, I mean, you can search up anything really. Let's do the rose PNG. That's the one that I'm using that I found. So yeah, you can, I mean, anything you can search up, just type in PNG after, and then you can use it in whatever you're going to create. So yeah, let's open up Phonto. Press the camera button, press plain image, press the white one or black or whatever you're going to do. In here I'm going to customize the size, and you want the size to be 1280 by 720. Similar to my video of how I showed you guys how to make a thumbnail on your phone, pretty much similar for the sizing and everything. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put that up here or down below so you guys can check that out. So yeah, customize the size, and if you want to change the color or anything, that's totally up to you. Press that arrow at the top, press use. Okay, so now we have our base. Now what you want to do, or this is what I do next. Now I wrote my name. Okay. And I have a bunch of different fonts that I uploaded here. Again, if you want to see a video of how I uploaded fonts onto Phonto, just comment down below and I'll make that for you guys. Let's see, I'm gonna use this one actually. Hold on, I just need to go back to my, okay. Sorry, I need to go back to, because I couldn't remember how I made it. Okay, so you kind of want to think about how it'll look on the screen. So you don't want it to be too big. So let's say if I made it this big, it's gonna look that big on the screen, and I feel like that kind of looks weird. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, so now what you want to do, or if you're gonna upload images, you can do that now. So you press these, this sidebar right here, press add image. Let's add this one. So this one I'm putting under my name. Let's change the size on that. Put this over here. Let's change the size on this. Okay, I mean, try to get it in the middle as much as you can. Looks pretty good. I wish this had like to where it kind of centers it and shows you the line when you're in the middle. Does that make sense? I wish I had that, but yeah, this looks pretty much even. So now what you want to do, I'm gonna add the other images. Add the rows. Okay. I'm going to add the moon. And really you just want to play around with it till you get it how you like it. Okay? Yeah. Now what you want to do is I'm going to add my, well, not you, I keep saying now what you want to do. Next, what I did was I added the scissor. That's kind of too small. Okay, so now I feel like this row is a little too small. Alright, so now what you want to do, after you edit it how you want it, so this is pretty much how I edited mine, you want to save this one. Save image. Okay? Okay. So now, how I'm going to make the intro is I'm going to be uploading these pictures into iMovie. So basically what we're going to be doing is, I don't know what you call it, frame by frame. I don't know if that's what you call it. But basically what I want to do is I want to make different images so I can have them play next to each other. So that's my first image. Now what you want to do is I'm going to add text again. I'm going to write beauty. I'm going to put that in a different font. I think that's good. Make this smaller. Okay, so now I have one beauty, right? So I'm going to save that image. I'm going to go back to that text and change it to family. And I'm going to slide it over. Okay. And then I'm going to save that. I'm going to go back to that text again and I'm going to write, oops, and more. And then I'm just going to slide that down, trying to keep it as even as possible. And I'm going to save that again. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a subscribe button. So let me do that. Subscribe PNG. Parent. Well, this should be good. Save that image. Go back into Fonto. put add image. Okay. And now I'm going to put that right there in the middle. Okay, save that image. So now I have all my pictures that I need to make my intro. So now you want to go in, you want to go into iMovie, create project, movie. So now what you want to do is add all the pictures. So do it like this. Oops. Oh, okay. Okay. Create movie. Oh, oops. Wait a minute, what am I doing? Nope, sorry. Delete that. Okay, create project. Now what you want to do is select all the pictures that we just edited. So here. All right. So now what you want to do is shorten them, all of them, as much as possible. So click it and shorten them as much as you can. And then I'm going to take out these dissolves that are in the middle, because I don't want it to dissolve. I want them to play right after another. And you might have to shorten them again. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do is I'm going to take out this Ken Burns that goes in there automatically, because I don't want that either. So let me just make sure that they're all as short as they can be. I like to do this to kind of like squeeze it, that way I know the image is like fully centered and not zoomed in any way. All right, so now what you want to do, okay, so now I'm gonna play it so you guys can see. So you see how it is, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I want the subscribe button to be kind of blinking. All you have to do is just add the images again. So I'm gonna add the plain one, and then I'm gonna add another subscribe button one. So do the same thing, shorten the clips that you just added, take out the dissolve, take out the Ken Burns. Okay. So now let's play it again so you guys can see. This one. Okay. Oops. Alright, play it again so you guys can see. I wonder why that one looks weird. Okay, let me play it again. Okay, so there you go. So now, sorry, I'm just replaying it over and over again. So now what you want to do, if you're satisfied with it, all you have to do now is just save. You back out of it and then you save video. So now I'm gonna save it under 4K. Everybody's texting me about this R. Kelly documentary that was on this past weekend. Oh my god, it's crazy. Comment down below if you watched it, because crazy stuff. So yeah, the next part I actually have to go into my computer and do this, because I'm going to be adding music to it. If you have music on your phone, I'm sure you can do it from there. I don't have music on my phone, so yeah, I have to do it on my computer. Unfortunately. So basically, I just I imported the video that I made on the iMovie on my phone. I'm importing it now onto the iMovie on my computer because I wanted to add my intro music to it. I was thinking of whether or not I should change it, but I really like my intro music. Like it's catchy to me, so I figured I might as well just keep it for now at least. So what I did was basically I also imported my old intro and I dragged it down here just to add the audio to the new one, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna play it to you. Oh, also I added this like liquid what do you call it, like liquid transition to it. I'll link down below the video where I got it from. But yeah, this is it all together. So yeah, that's it. Fairly simple for the most part. I mean, it definitely took me practice to get it, so if I can do it, you can do it. As far as like the little transition I added on the end, I didn't go too much into detail with that because I feel like that could be a whole video on its own, and I feel like if I kind of tried to explain that, it would just be like too much. So if you guys want to see how to add transitions and stuff to your video, just comment down below and I'll do a separate video on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you think about my intro. Again, I know it's like not the most fanciest, but I think it's cute and it's simple and it's something easy that, you know, I can do on my own. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.